You're on.
I didn't follow through, did I, son?
Nope. Keep doing it. Come on.
Don't hold your hand.
Come on, dude.
Here, now I gotta clean that lens. Come on, you can't.
Why do you have to clean the lens?
You've got fingerprints all over it. Don't. You're making it worse.
Come on, just do it already.
You want to see a really high flop shot?
No.
Here's how I conduct my flop shot with the sand bridge. Take my stance off the front foot, open the club face, get a nice swing grooved. Flop it right in there. That's how to do a flop shot.
Do another one for us.
Phil Mickelson would be proud.
Phil Mickelson's not even going to go on this stuff.
Stance, off the front of the foot, open stance, take the grip, go back, take a prep. Flop it in.
Do a utility for us.
Okay? No, the utility's not so good because my back is hard for me to follow through properly.
Travis Tritt remembering the good old days when you had to have change in your pocket. Make a phone call, here's a quarter. I'm Mike Terry, here's a lady who has a son who turns 1. Let's see, a week from tomorrow.
Actually, a very incredible utility for me. Okay, let's stop.